Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App Borrower suspended issue. Now the first thing I want you to do is launch Cash App. Come to the top right, click on your profile icon, and you'll be on your account section. Now scroll down, and then go ahead and click on support right here. So click on support, and I want you to scroll down again all the way down until you see contact us and where it says chat. I want you to go ahead and click on this, click on chat, and I want you to basically contact Cash App support, let them know you have this Cash App borrower suspended issue, and this is the fastest way to do this. Then we'll go ahead and check into the issue and see if maybe there's a mistake. If they ask you for any required documents, go ahead and provide it to them. And lastly, just make sure you go to your app store, and if it says update where you click on Cash App, make sure you update it, okay, to the latest version, because it can go ahead and fix any minor glitches. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.